Hey there, welcome back to Dude's Tech. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best portable welding machine options that combine power, portability, and precision for DIYers and pros alike. Whether for home repairs or on-site jobs, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Gorney Portable Welding Machine. Yanni Portable Welding Machine is designed for users who need powerful welding performance in a compact and highly portable form. Weighing only 3.8 pounds, this handheld welder eliminates the bulk of traditional welding machines and allows you to carry it effortlessly to any worksite. Whether you are performing home repairs, working at heights, or handling outdoor maintenance tasks, its lightweight build and ergonomic design ensure maximum mobility and convenience. Equipped with a clear LED digital display, the machine allows precise monitoring and adjustment of current settings. This improves calibration accuracy and helps achieve better welding results with greater efficiency. The intuitive controls also make it easier for beginners to operate with confidence. At its core, the welder uses advanced IGBT inverter technology, delivering a stable and powerful arc. This ensures smooth welding performance with reduced spatter, helping users create clean and professional quality welds. Even those with limited experience can achieve strong and visually neat results with ease. Safety and protection are key highlights of this welding machine. It comes with auto-darkening welding goggles that provide clear visibility before welding begins and instantly darken when the arc is struck, protecting the eyes from glare and harmful UV exposure. Built-in safety features such as overvoltage, overcurrent, overload, and overheating protection ensure reliable operation even during unstable power conditions. A 360-degree cooling system further supports long working sessions without performance loss. The machine supports multiple electrode types, including E6013, E6011, E6010, E308, and E7018 rods, making it suitable for welding carbon steel, mild steel, cast iron, and other metals within a thickness range of 0.06 to 0.2 inches. It also includes 20 welding rods, allowing users to start working immediately. This complete kit goes beyond the welder itself, including essential accessories such as a ground clamp, chip hammer, gloves, portable toolbox, and auto-darkening goggles. With its combination of portability, safety, and strong performance, the Gisney Portable Welding Machine is a practical solution for both beginners and experienced users looking for reliable welding anywhere. Coming in at number 4, we have the Tvgoo Portable Welding Machine. The Tvgoo Portable Welding Machine is designed to bring professional-grade welding performance into a compact, user-friendly form. Built with advanced IGBT inverter technology, it delivers exceptional arc stability that ensures smooth, clean, and consistent welds. Whether you are fabricating patio furniture, repairing tools, or working on farm equipment, this machine provides industrial-level precision that helps every project come together with confidence and accuracy. One of its standout features is the intelligent power control system. The easy-to-use 6-knob dial allows precise adjustment from a delicate 20A for thin sheet metal to a powerful 120A for heavy-duty welding tasks. This flexibility makes it suitable for both beginners learning the craft and experienced users handling demanding fabrication work, adapting effortlessly as your skills and needs grow. Portability is another major advantage of the Tvgoo welding machine. Weighing only 3.8 pounds, it is lightweight and compact enough to carry easily or store in tight spaces. Whether you are working in a garage, on a construction site, or responding to roadside repairs, this machine is designed to go wherever work takes you, making it a reliable on-the-go welding companion. Ease of use is at the heart of its design. The hot arc start function helps beginners achieve smooth ignition and stable welding from the very first attempt, while its compatibility with 3/32 to 1/8 rods ensures versatility for different welding needs. This thoughtful design reduces difficulty and helps users achieve clean fusion between metals with minimal effort. Durability and safety are also key priorities. The built-in 360-degree cooling system maintains optimal temperature even during long welding sessions, while overheat protection safeguards the machine from damage. Engineered with durable, high-quality components, the Tvgoo portable welding machine is built to provide long-lasting reliability, making it a dependable tool for years of consistent use. Compact, powerful, and intelligently designed, the Tvgoo portable welding machine combines performance and convenience in one efficient package, ready to support every spark of creativity and every repair challenge. At number 3, the Sunsimiao portable welding machine. The Sunsimiao portable welding machine is a compact yet powerful solution designed to deliver stable, efficient, and user-friendly welding performance for both professionals and DIY users. Built with advanced IGBT inverter technology, it ensures smooth arc initiation and consistent power output on standard 110-volt supply. This results in cleaner welds with reduced spatter and minimal electrode sticking, making every welding task more precise and controlled. With automatic current compensation and high no-load voltage, the machine continuously adapts to changing working conditions, maintaining stability even during demanding applications. Offering an adjustable welding current range from 20 to 120 amps, the device features a simple 5-level rotary knob for quick and accurate control. Users can easily match output power with different rod sizes and metal thicknesses, ensuring optimal results across a wide range of tasks. From home repairs and DIY projects to professional fabrication work, it provides the flexibility needed for consistent, high-quality welds. Weighing only 3.3 pounds and compact in size, this handheld welder is designed for maximum portability and convenience. Its lightweight build allows easy one-handed operation, making it suitable for overhead welding, outdoor jobs, and tight workspaces. The package includes a complete accessory kit featuring a ground clamp, welding mask, gloves, brush, welding rods, and a user manual, all neatly stored in a carry bag ready for immediate use straight out of the box. The machine supports welding rods from 3/32 inch to 1/8 inch, and is compatible with common metals such as stainless steel, carbon steel, iron, and more. This makes it ideal for applications including automotive repairs, fencing, machinery maintenance, and general metal fabrication. Its intuitive knob design also allows quick rod adjustments, saving time during continuous work. Safety and reliability are key highlights, with a built-in 360-degree cooling system that prevents overheating and short circuits during extended use. Additional features like hot start and anti-stick functionality ensure smooth arc ignition and clean finishes, even for beginners. Simply plug in and start welding with confidence. Backed by 2-year defect support and lifetime technical assistance, the Sunsimiao portable welding machine offers dependable performance and long-term peace of mind for every user. In the second spot, we have the Plowic portable welding machine. The Plowic portable welding machine is a compact and versatile handheld arc welder designed for small repairs, DIY projects, and light fabrication work. Operating on 110-volt power, it supports MMA stick welding on carbon steel, alloy steel, and stainless steel, making it suitable for a wide range of everyday metalwork tasks. From fixing fences and gates to repairing brackets, pipes, and small steel structures, it delivers a stable arc for clean and consistent welds without requiring a bulky traditional welding setup. This upgraded 2026 model features a carefully rebalanced body design that improves handling and comfort. Unlike many front-heavy handheld welders, its optimized weight distribution and widened base reduce wrist strain and provide better control during extended use. The push-button rod holder allows quick, one-hand electrode changes, helping users maintain a smooth and efficient workflow, especially in tight or overhead positions. With an adjustable output range of 20 to 200A, the machine supports electrodes from 1/16 inch to 1/8 of an inch. Built-in hot start technology improves arc ignition, while arc force automatically stabilizes the welding arc when the distance fluctuates. These features help minimize rod sticking and ensure deeper, more reliable penetration across different welding conditions. A clear LCD digital display shows real-time welding current and system status, along with selectable MMA, hot start, and arc force modes. Overheating protection indicators are also included, giving users better visibility and control compared to basic knob-style welders. This makes setup easier and more intuitive, especially for beginners. Weighing only 3.09 pounds, the Plowic portable welding machine is designed for true one-hand operation and maximum portability. Its compact size allows it to fit easily into a toolbox or vehicle, making it ideal for on-site repairs, farm maintenance, and emergency fixes where larger equipment is impractical. The complete kit includes a handheld welder, 20 welding rods, 3 30-seconds, ground clamp, power cord, auto-darkening goggles, chipping hammer, welding brush, and gloves. With built-in safety protections against overcurrent, overvoltage, and overheating, it is a reliable and ready-to-use solution for DIY users, hobbyists, and beginners seeking a practical and portable welding tool. And finally, at number 1, we have the Saker Portable Welding Machine. The Saker Portable Welding Machine is a compact and efficient solution designed for both beginners and experienced users who need reliable welding performance in a highly portable form. Built with advanced IGBT inverter technology, it delivers stable arc performance with high no-load voltage, ensuring smoother ignition and consistent current output. This results in cleaner welds with reduced spatter, making it suitable for working on materials such as carbon steel and iron. With an adjustable output range of 20 to 120 amps, the machine offers flexible control through a 5-speed knob, allowing users to fine-tune the current according to different tasks. This versatility makes it well-suited for a wide variety of applications, including home DIY projects, automotive repairs, fencing work, iron fabrication, and general metal maintenance. Designed with portability in mind, the Saker welding machine is extremely lightweight at just 3.3 pounds and features a compact size of 9.8 by 9.45. Its handheld structure supports one-handed operation, improving maneuverability and ease of use in tight or awkward spaces. The compact design also makes storage simple, whether in a workshop, garage, or even a car trunk, enabling users to carry it conveniently to different job sites. The machine supports multiple welding rod sizes, including 3 30-seconds, expanding its usability across various welding tasks. It also features a hot start arc ignition function, which helps initiate arcs quickly and smoothly, improving overall efficiency and weld quality. This ensures stable arc formation and enhances precision during operation. For safety and durability, the unit is equipped with an efficient air intake system and advanced thermal management technology. Its 360-degree cooling system and built-in overheat protection help maintain stable performance during extended use while safeguarding internal components. This makes it suitable for both professional environments and home-based projects, offering reliable operation across a wide range of welding needs. Ready to spark your next project? Check the price link in the description to grab the right portable welding machine for your needs. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Dude's Tech for more powerful tools and tech reviews.